welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you what is in my baby's hospital bag, and this is my second labor and delivery of my second baby, so I feel like I have a little bit better of an idea of what I will specifically need while I'm in the hospital for him. So I'm just going to go through that quickly. The first thing that I am bringing, even though I know they have these in the hospital, are pacifiers and bottles. They give you syringes and formula if you don't have breast milk come in right away or there's a problem with that, but I think it would be much easier to just have small bottles already ready, and I already brought pacifiers as well, like the same ones the hospital has. I'm also bringing, and I know it's unnecessary because they give you clothes and everything at the hospital, but I wanted to bring these little kimonos. I love these because it's so easy to just open them up and then lay your baby on you with their chest on your chest, and that way you can still do like your skin to skin with a blanket. I just put a blanket like over their legs with these, but I love these little opening up kimonos because it makes it a lot easier to do skin to skin as opposed to always being in a swaddle. So like when they're not swaddled, it's nice to have them in the little kimonos. I'm also bringing my own swaddling blankets and just my own blankets in general. Before I just used the blankets in the hospital, and those are fine, but they're not nearly as soft as your own blankets. And I also wish I would have brought my own blankets for the sake of photos so that I didn't have so many pictures of the baby swaddled in just the hospital blankets. So I actually have 3 of those that I'm bringing because I'm sure they'll get dirty with blowouts and spit up. I'm also bringing a couple different kinds of swaddles just to try out at the hospital. And I'm bringing a kind of warm-ish going home outfit. Again, that kimono top in case I want to open it up and you just want him to wear it at the hospital. And I am also bringing zippered sleepers. Again, if you want to zip it down, open it up, do skin to skin, it makes it really easy. Everything that we had last time at the hospital were all like kind of like the onesie sleep sacks. That didn't really work the best for skin to skin, and I wish we would have done more skin to skin as opposed to just worrying about if he was cold or not, because I feel like we had him dressed a lot because we were afraid he was cold. And then these are also in the newborn size, so they have the little cuffs that go over just in case his nails are long. I also am bringing this little sign for photos. I think it's cute because you can put name, weight, height, or length, date and time. I thought it was so cute. I found this at Hobby Lobby and it was only a couple bucks. It's super cute. And then I'm bringing a silver Sharpie so that it matches that, or I might grab a gold one too just to put all that on there. I think that would be really cute for pictures. Last time with my last son, I did not bring a bunch of cute stuff to do photos in, and I really regret that. I wish I would have done it. This time I'm also bringing a letter board in case I want to put his name and his information on that as well, because I just think it's super cute. And I guess, I don't know, last time I wasn't like super excited or concerned about that. And then in my little side pocket, I just have a little bag that's pretty much mostly waterproof, just for the baby's clothes, so I can keep them separate from mine, for clothes that get dirty or that we change him out of, or just to know where his dirty clothes are. I am also bringing this little swaddle. I think this is Itsy Ritzy. It's just a little swaddle and a hat, and it also comes with a little name tag. I'm not sure if we'll use that or not, but I thought it would be super cute for photos. And then I also have some extra hats that will go along with the little zippered onesies. And again, there's nothing wrong with the hats at the hospital. I just feel like these are a little bit softer, a little bit cuter. Like there's nothing wrong with the clothes at the hospital either. This time I just want to have my own stuff there instead of just what the hospital gives you. I am also bringing a Wubba, and I plan on just giving the baby a passy right away because he's gonna need a bottle at some point. Just for me personally, my baby. I brought that too, and then I'm just gonna attach the passy that he will maybe take to that. I'm not bringing diapers or wipes or any of that because they have that at the hospital. I'm also bringing these little energy and caffeine tabs just in case, you know, I get into labor and I'm getting tired or I need some kind of energy. I don't plan on doing a natural delivery, and I think I got this idea from watching one of Emily Norris's videos of what was in her hospital bag. But I definitely plan on getting an epidural. But when you get to the end of labor, my last labor was 32 hours and I pushed for almost 4 hours, so I was dying by the end of that, and I was just out of energy and out of everything. I feel like if I had had something to kind of like give me a boost or a pep, like I think adrenaline really did it, and hormones and everything else with my first pregnancy, but if I could get some extra help if I need it this time, that would be good too. I am also bringing little extra baby mittens because I have the little sleepers that have mittens, but these are just extras for that. And then my own little socks in case I have him like in a kimono with, I think it's actually said kimono, not kimono, but my sister calls it kimono, so that's kind of, I don't know, I didn't even think about it. But I'm just bringing some little socks to, in case his feet get cold or anything like that. I'm also bringing a pacifier clip because this is really helpful if your baby takes a pacifier. Again, we plan on giving it immediately. I am also bringing a couple different hand sanitizers, but these are just a couple different ones I haven't actually tried yet. This one is a grapefruit from Honest, and then this one is from Hello Bello. It's the Walmart baby brand. This one is Apple Blossom. Just some different hand sanitizers to try out, and they're sprays, which could be easier than dealing with gels. I'm also bringing a small tube of Aquaphor. I know they have this in the hospital. We didn't get it soon enough with my first baby, and he ended up having a meconium poop, and it stuck to him so bad, and I wish we had just had Aquaphor on him because it would have come off so much easier. And then I'm also bringing a little baby butt brush, and I really like these. I find it convenient to just slap paste on the brush, wipe it on the baby, wipe it on the diaper, be done with it. It doesn't get all over your hands, it doesn't get everywhere. I really like them, so I'm just bringing this little travel one that we already had. And I'm also packing, they're gonna be way too big, but just a couple little bandana bibs in case I wanna put them down under the baby's chin for feeding. So that is what I'm packing in my baby's bag for the hospital, for his labor and delivery bag. I know it's a lot of things, like they've got blankets and like outfits and swaddles and stuff at the hospital. But again, I just want, you know, different options for photos, and also to try out some swaddles at the hospital too. I wish I would have done that because I'm not very good at doing the blanket swaddles, and then once you're home and like you don't have nurses there helping you who do that every day, it's a little more difficult. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're a new mom, maybe it gave you some ideas for some items you maybe weren't thinking about, or for some ways to, you know, get some better photos, because that's a huge regret of mine, is not having enough good photos of me with the baby. I will have a labor and delivery vlog up at some point as well if you're interested in checking that out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.